little explorers. Welcome to Wonder Wave Beach. Today we're learning another wonderful letter. Can you remember our last letter? That's right. V is for vineyard. W is for waves. Can you say waves? W is for waves. Today we'll discover waves, whale, windmill, wagon. Come on, let's explore Wonder Wave Beach together.
Welcome to Wonder Wave Beach. Look at those beautiful, sparkling blue waves rolling in. It's a bright and sunny day for an adventure. Little Explorer Baby is so excited to be here on the soft sand. Can you wave hello to our friend?
Wow, look at the beautiful waves. The ocean is smiling at us today. Hello, little explorers. Wave back, everyone.
Today we are learning about a special letter. Look up, it's the letter W. A big glowing W and a small W are floating.
W is for waves. Can you see the sparkles on the letter W? It's as bright as the sun.
Now it's your turn. Can you say the word waves? Fantastic. Let's say it all together. W is for waves.
Look, the waves are coming to the shore to play. Let's count them as they splash. Here comes the first one. 1.
And here comes another friendly wave rolling in. Can you count with me? 2. That's it. The water is so blue and clear. Here comes the next wave. 3. You are doing a wonderful job counting. Almost there. Another wave is splashing gently on the sand. 4. We have one more to go, and the last big wave arrives. 5. We counted 5 magical waves. You are a counting superstar.
Time for a game. Let's move like the ocean. Stretch your arms out wide like a giant wave reaching for the sky.
Sway your body to the left, and now sway to the right. Feel the rhythm of the beautiful blue sea. Now make tiny ripples with your fingers. Wiggle them fast. You look just like the sparkling water. W is for waves. But wait, look at that big splash. It's a whale. See you next time for more W fun.
Welcome to the magical Wonder Wave Ocean. Today we are going on a special adventure to learn a brand new letter. Look at those sparkling bubbles rising up. Who do you think is coming to say hello to us today from the deep blue sea?
Wow! Hello, whale! You look so big and friendly. I am so happy to see you here today at the beach.
Hello, little explorers. Welcome to my home. I am a whale, and I love making new friends and playing in the waves.
Whales are amazing animals. They swim in the water and breathe air at the surface. Look, the whale just made a tiny rainbow. Look above the water. A giant glowing uppercase W and a smiling lowercase w have appeared. This is the letter of the day.
W is for whale. Can you say whale? Let's try saying it together very loudly so the ocean can hear us.
W is for whale. Wonderful. You said it perfectly. Let's celebrate with some beautiful golden sparkles swirling all around the letters.
It is time for a game. Our whale friend is going to make some big splashes. Let's count them together, one by one.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow! Look at all those magical and very sparkly water splashes jumping into the air.
Fantastic counting, everyone. You are doing a great job learning your numbers and your letters with us today.
Now, stand up and lift your arms like fins. Sway from side to side and make a big splash. Splash, splash.
Let's review one more time. This is the letter W and W is for whale. But do you whale, you have got it.
Oh, look over at the hilltop. The wind is making that big white windmill spin round and round. Windmill starts with W too.
There are so many wonderful W words to find. Let's go explore the windmill next. See you soon, little explorers. Bye-bye.
Welcome to beautiful Windmill Hill. Look at the vibrant flowers and the sparkling blue ocean in the distance. Here comes little explorer baby and star buddy. They are ready for a new learning adventure today.
Wow! Look up there. The windmill is turning. It is so big and beautiful.
That's right. The wind blows against the blades and helps the windmill spin round and round. Hello, little explorers. Welcome to my hill. It is a very breezy and happy day today. Today, we are learning a special letter. Look, it is a letter W. Can you say W?
W is for windmill. Now it is your turn. Say it with me. W is for windmill.
Great job! W is for windmill. You are doing a wonderful job learning your letters today.
Let's count the windmill blades together as they turn. 1. Look at the number 1, 2, and 3. We are almost finished. Keep counting along with us.
4. There are 4 big blades spinning in the wind. You are so good at counting.
Now, let's play a game. Stretch your arms out wide just like the windmill blades. Spin slowly and feel the gentle breeze. Look at all the pretty butterflies around us.
We learned the letter W and counted the blades. But look, what is that rolling by?
It's a red wagon. Wagon also starts with W. Let's follow the wagon down to the beach.
Today we learned about waves and whale. Can you say them with me? Wagon! X is for xylophone. Can you say them with me? Wagon! Waves, whale. Explorers.